The Valco Snap Duo Trend is a side-by-side, elegant stroller. It's light, it's easy to maneuver, and I'm excited about showing you a full review. It is really beautiful to look at. It maneuvers very nicely, and it is very light to throw in your car. It is featured in our video of the best strollers of 2021, which I recommend that you watch after this video. And if you want more information about strollers, download our stroller buying guide over at mbeans.com. And remember that the Valco Snap Duo Trend is available to buy from us from Magic Beans with free shipping. Here's the review. Here is the Valco Snap Duo Trend. I love Valco. We've been selling Valco at Magic Beans since 2004. It's like an OG Magic Beans brand. They make great strollers, and they're an Australian brand. So they're super popular in Australia, and they're also very popular here in the United States. And I'm excited about showing you this particular stroller. So the cool thing about this stroller is that it is, when it comes to a side-by-side double stroller, it's very hard to find one that's good looking, light, and easy to push. And this one checks all of those boxes. Oh, and also you can get two adapters for this for twins. If you wanted to have twins using these strollers, also you can do infant car seat and like your second child. So this is going to be great for that because let me just show you how this thing folds down first. I'm gonna push a little button on the top, and this folds down towards you, down like this. And then there is a little strap, which you can strap it over your shoulder. So, which is like very convenient to walk around with, go up and down a flight of stairs, or even just to throw it in your trunk. But the thing is that, as you know, when you have your first child, you get really used to, let me just unfold this for you. Just unlatch your, close to the ground. Okay, when you have your first child, you'll get very accustomed to clicking your infant car seat into your stroller or into a snap and go. It's very light and convenient. And you're used to, in the beginning, on the go, click your infant car seat into the stroller and go. But then you're having your second child, and now you have to wrangle up a Baby Vista with a rumble seat and remove the rumble seat and clicking in the car seat adapters and all this other different types of situations. And if you're getting like a big double stroller, like a side-by-side double, like a double running stroller or something of that nature, it's like very, very big and heavy. It's like over 30 pounds. So you have a stroller that's just about 30 pounds, lighter than the rest of the other strollers in its class, and you can click in your infant car seat. So this is going to be that kind of best of both worlds type of a stroller. Now you probably have a single stroller from your first kid. If you're expecting like your second, if you have twins, this may be your twin stroller, but just keep in mind that even if you're gonna get this stroller, you may still use one of the other strollers in your arsenal from your first kid in addition to the stroller to complement the stroller. Let me show you some more fun facts and tips about this stroller. You can adjust the footrest very easily to click that open for comfort for little babies. But then as your baby gets bigger, you just push in the two buttons on the side and it goes down like that. Again, this beautiful gray melange material comes with two cognac colored belly bars, which I don't have shown here, but also very nice cognac colored leatherette handlebar for comfort. 10-inch wheels on the back, 6-inch wheels. Click over to mbeans.com to find out the size of the wheels. On the front, 6 to 8-inch wheels on the front. And then you have a very easily to maneuver brake on the back, just with your foot. I think the most important thing is this thing just pushes really, really nicely. Strollers are for performance. They're the mode in which that you stroll your kids around, and so you really want to make sure that it just pushes really nice and light and easy. Extendable canopy for extra sun protection, which is quite nice, and just very, very super comfortable for baby. There are also little peekaboo windows with the air mesh so the air can flow through and you can sort of see your baby through there. The Valco Snap Duo Trend is part of my roundup of the best strollers of 2021. So I recommend you watch that video after this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. It makes a difference to me and to the YouTube channel. And if you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe today. I will see you at the next video.